flag some shit. Yeah. Are you gonna film me trying to get
Yes. This will be the opener of the video. Oh my god. Nice poses. My first time seeing Tesla.
Good, yeah? It's gonna be
This is my camera now.
yeah.
I didn't capture it. I didn't know you were gonna show
Wow,
up
it
here.
looks like a little, looks like an alien.
I know. It's like moving around. It's like head. How are you?
Good.
You look
Are you gonna
good.
film every single moment?
Yes. So that's the Brooklyn Bridge.
No, we're on the Brooklyn Bridge.
So this wasn't.
Actually, I don't know. I find it very confusing.
For that?
Just to like,
Yeah.
I like the grunge vibes. You know, it's very, a lot of metal. You have like these
Rusty.
stainless steel trains going by you, like rattling the whole thing. I like the height. It's a good height. It's a bit loud.
Yeah, I'm not sure if like we're recording this right now because it's quite loud around here. Oh well, this is New York for us. Wah! We did like an hour walk in the snow slash hail situation. It's still
Joyousness,
It's still snowing. It's nice. Are you cold?
Tomorrow when I go to the baths.
Yes, I'm so excited for the bath. Turkish, Russian, Turkish bath.
Yeah.
That's gonna be an interesting experience. So freaking cold. Really excited.
3 hours later.
How was the Russian, Turkish bath sauna experience?
It was good. Look, there's a Cybertruck. You prefer to film that?
It's covered in snow! Day 3 in New York. Well, day 2, I guess. There's like 2 Alexes. So sunny. There's Alex. Oh, can't really see. The light is coming from the other side. This is what New York City weather does to you. Alex like taking photos of random stuff. Which one? Ooh, that looks good. Should we get the fancy prints? But it's like steamy. So much oil dripping. Jordan said it was the best pizza.
Like the princess. Like the princess of Anne.
No princess has a beard like this.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Okay, then act like a princess, then I'll consider. Wow. Hi, Alex. Alex, it feels like New York now, finally.
That's what you wanted?
Yes.
All along?
This.
I think
How long are you here for?
Until Friday, and then we go to Mexico.
Yeah.
And then you go to Mexico?
Yeah.
Oh, poor you guys.
Finally, Mexico City! Hungry. I'm excited for the first real, authentic taco experience. Al pastor. Pastor, and this is. I look much happier in Mexico, Alex, than in New York.
Just suck the seat out.
What is it called? Pachitos.
Pachita.
Pachita. Mmm.
Are you happy?
I'll be happy with my beer.
You're not happy with me, it's not enough.
I'll be happier with the beer. We're finally gonna have our beer, Alex. Done. Yes, there we go.
Okay, now we're standing in front of this and I want you to make another really engaging, fun story for someone like me who has ADHD and hates museums to help me connect with this piece.
All right, let's make this fascinating. You're staring at Chico Mecuetl, a figure as intense as it gets. Oh no, this is a high-stakes cosmic ritual. Here's the wild part. This sculpture doesn't just show the goddess. What you're looking at is a priest, cloaked in the literal skin of a sacrificed woman. Yes, her skin, symbolizing the rebirth of life through death. Right, how's that for engaging? Feel the cosmic stakes.
Oh, I really hate having to spread my legs. I'm so inflexible.
You know, sometimes people say that having short arms is like a disability, but actually I think it's really helpful because I can punch you when you're really close to me, and people with long arms, you need to be quite far away to punch them. And I love looking at things in museums. I'm just really like into art, you know? Oh yeah, this stretch feels so good. I wish you could do a stretch like this. Can you do a stretch like this? I don't think so. It's just me because I'm fabulous.
Okay, some crickets.
No, not with this one dangling here.
Why? It's dead, Alex. Like, there's nothing different with this and a shrimp. Great source of protein.
Well, so much for filming Jun. She's cycled about a kilometer away from me, which is classic. I don't know how she expects me to catch up whilst holding her beloved camera. So sad you're gonna have me. Hi. You decided to stop?
Yeah, because I was waiting for you.
You were waiting for me?
Yeah.
That's really kind. As opposed to when you just cycled off like a crazy woman. Okay, go. Yalla, ruh.
he was here. Hola.
June, we're gonna have mosquitoes.
Hello. Alex is getting a massage. I think this is a little dangerous at this point. The bathroom.
Damn it, give me a bite. Give me.
It's dripping, it's not my fault. We're at the beach with really, really strong currents. Lost my earrings. It's very hot. We're barefoot, so probably gonna have to run. Hot! Oh my god, it's burning! I did capture you this time. Searching for the waves. Can't really see. Ooh, okay. Nice one. Where did he go? It's really hard to see. Per Alex's request, I'm filming this very crucial moment. Our last breakfast has to be Dunkin' Donuts because it's 7:25 in the morning at JFK. There's nothing to do.
Talking like that.
Because Alex doesn't want to be part of me. I'm just trying to be more discreet.
I finished my donut. I'm really sad.
You can have my donut. Okay. How did you finish it so fast? I mean,
Mine had a hole in the middle.
you're Alex, I'm not sure.
Mine had a hole in the
It's not
middle.
about having a hole in the middle.
I didn't finish everything before you, you know?
Bife bonita.
Sweaty.
They're what?
Cold.
They're cold. How?
I just have them done from before.
But like they don't even heat it up. Hope mine isn't raw.
Yours is not raw?
I just had the smallest one and it was not raw.
There were bits of it that had a taste that I didn't love that made me wonder if it was fresh.
I think it's difficult to leave now because all this is.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Wait, I'm just gonna.
Mm.
Huh?
I thought someone was not very into
This one's
mezcal.
not bad.
You hate me for filming every shot of you eating.